In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted notes on your Samsung Galaxy S26. All you have to do is launch the Notes app. So on your S26, find the Notes app and tap on it. And then from this homepage, simply tap on this hamburger icon with the 3 lines and then select Trash. And then from here, you should see a list of all the notes that you currently deleted on your device. Now, all you have to do is find the note that you'd like to restore. So let's say, for instance, this one. You can tap on it, and then you can tap on Restore, and that will restore that particular note. Now, in case you have multiple notes and you'd like to restore all of them, you can simply press and hold one note, and then select all the other notes that you'd like to restore. And then from here, you should see the option Restore at the bottom. So tap on Restore, and that will restore multiple notes. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.